You've probably been watching my channel for a long time, or if you're new, I do a lot of haircuts. I have over 2,000 videos on my channel, and I'm always doing pretty good haircuts. Well, in this video, I'm actually going to do a really bad haircut. I'm going to close my eyes, and I'm going to do the worst haircut I possibly can. So, here we go. Here comes a bad haircut. So I'm gonna do this live. I don't know if I'm gonna use scissors. Maybe at some point I'll use scissors, but I'm gonna be using clippers, and I'm gonna try to keep my eyes closed for as long as I can. So we're gonna start in the back here, and let's get this straight here. Not that it matters if it's straight or not, but here we go. All right. Eyes are gonna be closed. Here we go. All right, I'm not going to be saying much, to be honest with you. All right, I don't know what's going on. So let's see here. All right, this is the sides. Second here. Okay, this feels crazy. Hold on. All right, let's go back here. Sorry if the mannequin head is not facing where you can see. All right, let's see now. All right, now I know I'm going into the top. I have to be very careful. Oh man, I think I'm taking a little too much off the top. Trying not to cut too much, but let's see what we got here. Like, stop. My eyes are closed. Look, my eyes are closed. All right, let's. All right, let's see. All right, I have hair in my face, so I'm going to blow dry the hair out of my face here, and all right. I have not looked at all, but let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh. All right, so. Oh my God. That's the new mullet right there. That's the new, oh, okay, it's gone. All right, so. I did okay right in this area. Actually, not too bad over here. Somehow I did all right there. But yeah, let's take a look at the top here. Okay, left a little bit. I mean, like I said, this was my eyes closed. Yeah, definitely interesting. I just figured let me try something new. And may I present to you probably one of the worst haircuts. So if you want to see stupid, funny things like this, let me know. I have over 2,000 videos of, mostly hair tutorials of good haircuts, but give me some ideas. Do you want to see me just do awful haircuts on mannequins, butcher them for your own pleasure? Let me know. Thanks for watching. I hope you got a laugh out of this, and I'll see you soon.